Hi. In this tutorial, you'll learn why and how to use the organizational landing page. Landing pages act as customizable learning centers, which are perfect for distributing your content to learners, securely sharing materials with employees, or creating content hubs for your VR experiences. Landing pages let your learners access all your ThingLink materials in one place. You can ensure they see only what's relevant by assigning access to specific content through shared folders. Learn more about sharing content with specific groups by clicking the link on screen. Let's start by creating our landing page. Note that you need to be an administrator user to create landing pages and add content to them. Hover over the Landing Page button at the top and click on the Landing Page Settings button. Here, you'll find a list of customization options to personalize your landing page and add the content you want. First, I'll add a custom URL, so it's easy for learners to remember and find the landing page. Next, I'll set the page visibility to anyone with a link. Since I'm not tracking learners and the content isn't sensitive, I can keep this page public. If I wanted only my students or employees to access it, I'd keep the page private so they would need to sign in to view the page. To customize the look of the page to match our branding, I'll upload a logo and a hero image. If you plan to view the content in VR, I also suggest adding a background image specifically for the ThingLink XR app. Then, I'll add a title and a short description with basic instructions so learners know how to interact with the page. Now it's time to add content. Click Add next to Playlist, name your playlist, then edit it to include your ThingLink projects. I want to set up two playlists, one for the facility tour and one for the safety training, so I'll add both. Next to each playlist, I'll click Edit to add the related scenes and scenarios. For example, for the safety training playlist, I'll select an office map scene, a fire safety scenario, and other relevant content. Then, I'll repeat the process for the other playlist. Now that everything looks good, I'll turn on the page by clicking Enable here. Once the page is enabled, we can check what it will look like to others by opening it in a private browser window. You can browse the content, and if you'd like to add or remove content later, you can easily update the playlists anytime. Landing pages can also act as content hubs for the ThingLink XR app. Learners can open the landing page using the organization ID, which is the end part of the URL, to access all public content added to the page. If your page is private, or if you want to collect individual learner data in VR, instruct learners to access the page by signing into their account instead. Please note that currently, there is only one landing page per organization, and only administrator users can add content. However, we're working on several improvements to make this process even better. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions regarding the organizational landing page, please reach out to our support team.